I'm Doug Hess, the Outreach and Communications Coordinator for the ARC of the Mid-Ohio Valley, the ARC of West Virginia, and People First of West Virginia. And this is part 2 of an interview with Kevin Smith, the Self-Advocate Coordinator for People First of West Virginia, on the Jenny Hatch story and his recent visit to a symposium in Washington, D.C., concerning the discussion on supported decision-making. As we continue the interview, Kevin, I wanted to ask, if someone finds themselves in a situation similar to Jenny, where they are not happy with their situation, maybe feel trapped, maybe that even though they do have rights, they don't feel like they have rights, what do they do? Who do they contact?
I would start by contacting the ARC of Mid-Ohio Valley, because we're a good resource. And the moral of the story is that I feel in a couple years that supported decision-making will be the way to go other than full guardianship.
So there are alternatives to guardianship.
That's why this symposium was put on.
So while we're a resource here for West Virginia, this is a nationwide problem.
Well, there was people all across the states. I was on a work panel with a person from Florida, and we were on the research team, researching the laws and the reasons why people would want guardianship.
Jenny's story is obviously an important one, needed to be told, and I'm sure it was eye-opening to many people. So what do you want to happen now? Now that her story is out, a focus of the symposium, talking about supported employment, what do you hope comes out of her story?
We're hoping to set a better model and get laws changed and make it another avenue for people across countries, other than having other people being total guardian, and you lose your right to vote and you lose your right to everything else. We're trying to show supported decision-making would work better in most cases than total guardianship. For more information, click or link below for the project that came out of this story. If you have questions about services that we have here, email me at kevin.smith@peoplefirstwv.org.
Thank you, Kevin, and this is Doug Hess. Thank you for listening to this podcast.